Ever pondered how a single celebration can manifest in a myriad of ways across the globe? How a singular moment can be celebrated with countless traditions, each unique and beautiful in its own right? Today, we delve into the heart of one such celebration, Eid al-Fitr, a significant religious holiday celebrated by Muslims worldwide that marks the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. Eid al-Fitr, also known as Festival of Breaking the Fast, is a testament to the diversity of human culture. It's a unifying thread that weaves through the vibrant tapestry of Muslim communities around the world. Yet its celebration can look vastly different from one region to another. Take, for instance, the celebrations in Indonesia, the country with the largest Muslim population in the world. Here, Eid al-Fitr is known as Lebaran, a time of grand family reunions. Homes are decked with lights and special dishes like ketupat, a type of rice dumpling wrapped in a woven palm leaf pouch, take center stage. Contrast this with the celebrations in Egypt, where Eid is a colorful spectacle of lanterns and faience. Egyptians have a long-held tradition of lighting lanterns during the festive season, creating a mesmerizing display of lights that dance in the night. It's a feast for the senses, with the aroma of kak, traditional Egyptian cookies, filling the air. Meanwhile, in Turkey, Eid al-Fitr is known as Ramazan Bayrami and is a time of charity and giving. People donate to the poor and visit the graves of their loved ones, paying their respects and remembering those who are no longer with them. Turkish delight and baklava are traditional sweets enjoyed during this time. Now, shift your attention to the celebrations in Nigeria. Here, the Durbar festival often coincides with Eid, resulting in a grand parade of colorfully adorned horses and riders. Music, dance, and traditional attire create a vibrant atmosphere that is uniquely Nigerian. Despite these differences, there are shared elements that bind these celebrations together. The act of giving, whether it's in the form of charity or gifts to loved ones, is a common thread. So too is the importance of family and community, and of course, the breaking of the fast with a grand feast. In conclusion, Eid al-Fitr, while universally observed by Muslims, is a festival that takes on distinct flavors, colors, and traditions, depending on the cultural context in which it is celebrated. It is a beautiful example of the diversity of human culture, showing us that while we may express our joy, our faith, and our traditions in different ways, we are all connected through our shared experiences and values. Eid al-Fitr is a testament to the world's cultural richness and diversity, a festival that is as varied as the people who celebrate it. It's a reminder that while we may come from different corners of the world, there are threads of commonality that bind us together in the grand tapestry of humanity.